Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another unboxing video, okay? So I'm super excited to do this video because this is a hard to find bag, and also because I may not be doing any unboxing videos for quite some time because honestly I have all of the bags that I want right now. And that could change, but for right now I think I have everything that I want, so I won't be buying too many bags at this point. All right, so before I go ahead and get into everything, make sure to share this video or subscribe to this channel if you do love luxury goods as much as I do. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So just to give you guys a little backstory, I actually bought this bag. I had to stalk the site to get this bag, and I bought this bag, and then after seeing it for the first time, I turned around and I returned it. I really returned it the same day, and I really don't know what I was thinking. I boxed it back up and sent it right back to Louis Vuitton, but then I started thinking about it and looking at more pictures of the bag, and I was like, you know what, I want this bag. So I had to stalk the website again to get this bag, and I finally have it. So let me go ahead and show you guys the bag. Okay, so here is the box right here, and we already know how these boxes look. And I do want to say that I have ordered several things for the past couple of months, and Louis Vuitton has not put a bow on the items, and it's like, I like my little bow, so I hate that they're not doing that. And I even purchased something and they had the bow on the inside of the box just next to the dust bag, so I'm like, that's kind of, you know, that's kind of bootleg the way they did that, but you know, it is what it is. But anyway, go ahead and open up the box. Here is my receipt and everything. You guys already know how that goes. And here is the bag right here. So let's go ahead. So here is the bag, guys, okay? So this is the Louis Vuitton On The Go Tote, and this is the new version that has the black straps, which a lot of people don't like, but it doesn't bother me at all. So let me go ahead and show you both sides. So let me step out of the frame so that the camera can focus on the bag. So here it is right here. Here's the other side. Definitely gorgeous. That's the reverse giant monogram. So gorgeous. I actually really like this side the most, but at first I didn't really, you know, like it. It kind of threw me off, but I love it. And here is the other side with the regular monogram, but giant monogram. And then of course you have the reverse monogram, the regular monogram, and of course the bottom of the bag is split and has both the reverse monogram and regular monogram. And then getting up close, you're gonna have the reverse monogram on this handle, and then you'll have the regular monogram on this handle. Absolute gorgeous. All the details to this bag are absolutely gorgeous. And then you do have these reverse monogram on this side, regular monogram on this side. Just gorgeous. So let's take a look at the inside. The inside is this gorgeous red interior, absolutely gorgeous. And you do have the black straps, which doesn't bother me at all. And then you do have a zip pocket, and then of course in my pocket I have the tag information and all of that stuff. And then, like I said, you have a zip pocket, and then you do have two little slip pockets which you can, you know, put your phone in. And then my bag was made in France, so you have the Louis Vuitton made in France on there. So as you guys know, this is an extremely hard to get bag, and what made me want to get this bag is when I purchased my Neverfull a few weeks ago, I really love just having a tote and being able to throw everything inside of a tote. Before the Neverfull, the biggest bag that I had was the Neo Noe, and I love my Neo Noe, but now that I have a tote, I really realize that I really love having a bag that's completely open in the inside. If you already know, the Neo Noe does have that little pouch in the middle, and that does make it to where you can't just throw things in easily. You definitely have to have everything organized in the Neo Noe, and after getting my Neverfull and being able to just throw everything inside of my Neverfull with no issues, I really did enjoy that. So I wanted to get something a little bit smaller than my Neverfull, so I chose to go ahead and get this, and I'm absolutely very pleased with it. And I can't even believe that I sent this bag back, and I'm just thankful that I was able to stalk the site. It said place in cart. I placed it in my cart, and I was able to get it again. All right, so now I'm just going to show you guys how this looks on, and I'm also going to show you guys what fits inside. Okay guys, so here is how the bag is looking, and here's the black straps. And I know a few people complained about the straps and said that when they have it on their shoulder, they're not able to just go ahead and get in the bag without taking the bag down, and I'm not having that issue, so that's good. So yeah, I can just pretty much, you know, put it on my shoulder and still be able to get in it without, you know, putting the bag down or having to take the bag down. So that's not an issue for me. So first off, this is how it looks as a shoulder bag. Gorgeous, definitely gorgeous. And for me, it's comfortable. It's not quite as comfortable as my Neo Noe. My Neo Noe just literally just feels like it just, you know, molds into my body and just molds into my arm from the side. But this one is a little bit, you know, you can feel that it's there, but it's not anything that's uncomfortable at all. Here it is, tote style. Here's the bag if you want to just wear it down on the side of you. Of course, you can do that also. Okay, so I've shown you how this bag looks. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what you can fit inside. And if you are wondering, you can fit a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro inside. I have a 13-inch MacBook Air, and I am going to go ahead and show you guys that it can fit inside. You can get quite a few things in this bag, and I think that this bag is really good for every day or for work. So let me go ahead and show you guys what can fit inside. Okay everybody, so here's my laptop. As you see, I'm using it as a monitor for this video, but I'm still going to go ahead and kind of close it and show you guys that it can fit inside of here. So as you see, it fits in here with no issues whatsoever. Definitely a great fit. It's not messing up the shape or anything like that, although it is, you know, a little heavy, and it's going to make it kind of lean over if you don't have anything else in it, but it's not messing up the shape at all. So let's just say I kept my laptop in there, and then I just want to add a small makeup case. So I will put that in there. And then also a sunglass case. I'll just put that in here. Here's my phone. I will put that in here, and I believe I can slide that in one of the pockets. Yes, I'm able to slide my phone in one of the pockets, which is great. And then I have some gum. I put that in there. Then I have my coin purse. I put that in there as well. And this also looks really good on the bag. I'll show that to you guys too. And then here is a lip gloss, which I'll just slide into here. And then here is a little cardigan or something, just in case, you know, I will get cold or something. I just put that in there. So that's just a few items, and it's still plenty more room left. I'm going to insert a picture of me showing you guys with this when I used it, and I went to several stores, and I was able to fit so much stuff in there. I'm going to insert a picture of that for you. Oh, that's how it's looking now. And it's pretty, it's kind of heavy, but it's not too bad. And as you see, it still has the nice shape. Straps on the inside don't really get in the way too much, which is great. So that's not an issue either. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this looks with the coin purse attached. I did see a picture on Instagram where someone had theirs attached, and it looked really good. They had it on the reverse monogram side. So I'll just go ahead and add that to it. And as you see, that looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'll also go ahead and show you how it looks on the other side, just in case you're interested. So that is how it looks on the other side. And you can also turn it around if you want to. It's totally up to you. Okay, everybody, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I will include a link to this bag in the description bar. And like I said, even though this bag is hard to get, you can get this bag. I was able to purchase this bag on LouisVuitton.com twice within a 1-week time period. So if you stalk the site, not meaning just stay on the site constantly, but if you periodically check the site, you can get this bag. And I would say that most of the time it's in the afternoon. Both times that I was able to get this bag was in the late afternoon, all right? So yeah, if you're interested in this bag, definitely go ahead and check it out. And again, subscribe to this channel. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.